Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add attendees to a Zoom meeting on your desktop. If you need to invite people during meeting, I'll guide you through the process step by step. This way you can easily add participants without interrupting your session. So, let's get started. If your meeting has already started and you need to invite more attendees, click on Participants at the bottom of the Zoom window. In the Participants panel, click on Invite, or you can also use the shortcut Alt plus I. Here you will see multiple options to add attendees. You can copy the invite link and send it through chat or email. You can also invite through email for a direct invitation, or invite through contacts if you have saved contacts on Zoom. Once the attendee clicks on the link or accepts the invite, they will be able to join the meeting immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to add attendees to a Zoom meeting on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.